You can use the conditional display feature from the Thrive editor whenever you want to display different content to your visitors, depending on whether they are logged in or not, or whether they've purchased a product or not, whether you have a flash sale or some kind of promotion on your website, and so on. And in this video, I'll be touching on the different settings that you need to make on a content box that will display two sets of content based on whether the viewer has purchased or not a Thrive Apprentice course. So what I want to achieve by the end of this video is the following. This buy button that will be clicked by any visitor will become a download button as soon as the purchase is complete. And this will allow the user to download the digital file that I've attached to it. So prior to following the steps described in this video, you should already have a Thrive Apprentice product that's sold through some kind of service such as Sendout, for example. And then you can go on and create a new page and make sure that you use a content box here or a background section element or any other element that supports the conditional display feature. So I will be using a content box as already mentioned. So I'm just gonna drag and drop the element to my page and then start customizing my default display. So what I've done here is basically I've added the information that will be shown to the visitors who have not yet purchased the course. So you have here some general information and lastly, a purchase button that links directly to my Sendout product. So let me show you how the conditional display feature works. So first, let's make sure that the content box is highlighted here in the breadcrumbs, and now we can continue by adding a new display. If you want to make your job even easier, you can simply duplicate the already existing one and just make minor tweaks to it. Okay, so let's just rename this second display that I've just created and make the necessary changes. So this display will be customized in such a way that it now shows the download button for those persons who have made the purchase. Don't forget to also include here the download link for the digital product. And now with all this set up, let's make sure we are adding some conditions to this second display that I've just created. So the conditions can be added from here. Make sure you are on the correct display. And here, let's just add a new condition set and then open the first drop-down list and set the first condition that only targets the users. And then we are going to make sure that this content will be displayed only when the user is logged in. And now you can save your condition. And basically this means that this view or this display will only be shown to those users who are already logged in. I hope this quick tutorial was useful to you. Now we do have other videos of this type, both on our YouTube channel as well as in our knowledge base, so make sure to check those out as well.